What was the key role you have played in the beginning of your BNI journey?
I have been in VHT team, I have been in MC, and I have been in an edu coordinator. And then last to last term, I was the president.
President. Okay.
Yeah.
So how was your experience as VHT?
It's really helpful to know the nitty gritty of how the chapter functions, and it starts with, I think, VHTT,
Yeah.
because you have to manage all these smaller details before your meeting starts, and it's very important to know that, because in future when you accept that a bigger role, you know how everything works, and you know how to manage that. So I don't think that any role goes waste. You can like be it edu coordinator or be it in MC, or like every role has some or the other learning.